Hi, welcome back to our channel Hard Reset Pro. In front of me I have DOOGEE smartphone. In this video I want to show you how to set up face unlock inside Fingerprint. Open settings on your device. Now let's scroll down to see section security and privacy. Let's go to device unlock and let's tap fingerprint and face unlock. If you have password to your phone, you have to confirm it right here. And let's first of all set up face unlock. Again, enter your password, press enter the face button, and now you have to scan your face. You have to hold your phone at the eye level and keep your face within the circular frame and wait until your face is scanned. Let's tap OK. And it's done. Additionally, here is this feature that is called skip the lock screen. This basically ensures that you unlock your device using your face much more faster by going straight to your home screen without requiring a swipe. So if you want it to be much more faster, you can enable it. And additionally, let's go back and set up fingerprint. Tap fingerprint. Let's tap more button. I agree. And now you can finally start scanning your finger by using this power button on the side, on your right side of your screen, of your device, sorry. Let's scan finger. You have to adjust your finger from different sides like this. Let's tap done button, and as you can see, here is the fingerprint. Now let's try unlocking device. So that's how it works. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.